This morning, San Diego County Sheriff Kelly Martinez gave an update on the state of our jails. The department has faced criticism over the number of in-custody deaths. CBS 8's Kirsten Holmes is live from the sheriff's headquarters tonight in Kearney Mesa with everything she's learned today. Kirsten?
Yeah, some of those updates include upgrades to the sheriff's inmate intake system. Now they're going to start urine sampling for all inmates upon arrival so they'll know exactly what's in their system when they get there. Before this, the sheriff says staff at the jails would just look at an inmate's physical appearance and make an assessment that way, and that left a lot of room for error. Critics say that they want to see more done.
2 lives lost in 3 days. I mean, again, how many lives need to be lost to hold a special meeting? Just do your job right.
Sabrina Weddle's brother, Saxon Rodriguez, died in custody in San Diego County Jail in July of 2021. Sabrina has been speaking out at protests against in-custody jail deaths ever since. Wednesday morning, Sheriff Kelly Martinez and San Diego County Sheriff's deputies announced advancements in their processes to streamline operations behind bars to fight in-custody deaths and overdoses.
People who come into our custody are not always in the best of medical and mental health conditions, so that's really our focus. But nobody wants anyone to die in custody.
Chief Medical Officer John Montgomery says SureScripts, a digital prescription record keeper for healthcare providers, will be able to help make sure inmates are not waiting for life-saving medication.
Is the ability to identify what medications that have already been prescribed in the community setting. How many people really remember what medications they're on? Is that frequently in the elderly patients may have upwards of 10 prescriptions. They generally don't remember them all.
And when it comes to holding sheriff's deputies or jail staff accountable for the deaths behind bars, Sheriff Martinez says she inherited an issue she's working to address.
I did, however, have oversight and authority over our homicide team that did take that case to the DA's office. So if there's staff that are culpable in any of the deaths that occur in our facility, we will hold people accountable.
None of us are protected from losing our lives in custody, even if we are detained or arrested for the wrong thing.
Yusuf Miller with the North County Equity and Justice Coalition says they have been fighting for more screening, scrutiny, and transparency for years when it comes to the San Diego County Sheriff's Office. His suggestion?
I would love to hear that all staff and deputy are being scanned for drugs as they're entering the jails.
Activists also say that they have been trying to meet with Sheriff Martinez as a group with families impacted by in-custody deaths since November of 2022. Sheriff Martinez says she wants to meet with each of those families individually, but the activist group says they remain committed to coming together as a group. They still haven't had a date set for that meeting. Reporting live for CBS 8, I'm Kirsten Holmes. Back to you.
Kirsten, Sheriff Martinez highlighted some programs that have seen success in our local jails when it comes to keeping inmates from reoffending and re-entering custody. Did you learn anything about those today?
Yeah, one of the most interesting things I heard about was the gardening program. Sheriff Martinez said it specifically provides evidence-based services to reduce recidivism and increase public safety.
All right, Kirsten, thank you very much. Kirsten Holmes live for us today on this ongoing topic for us here in San Diego. Kirsten, thank you.